Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to change email on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your email address on your Temu account, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see a bunch of icons. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen. And after tapping on the U button, you'll be over here where you will be required to tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on settings and you land over here where you can see the account security option available for us just above the permissions. Tap on account security and you land over here where your email address will also be available over here. Now in order to change the email address on Temu, tap on the edit button at the right side of the email. And guys, over here you will be required to enter a new email address. So enter your new email address, guys, whichever may it be. And after that, tap on continue and continue with the verification process. Guys, a code will be sent to your new email address which you entered over here. You receive that code and enter it on Temu on the next step. And with that being done, guys, your email address on Temu will be changed. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change email on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.